In this video, you will learn how to insert a page border in a Word document. To get started, navigate to the top of your Word window. Click on the Design tab. On the right-hand side, look for an option called Page Borders. Click on this option. A new window titled Borders and Shading will pop up, allowing you to customize your page borders. Make sure you are in the Page Border tab within this window. Here, you'll see various options available for creating your border. Start by selecting box, which is one of the most common styles for page borders. Next, explore different border styles. You can choose from options like a double line border or a triple line border. As you select different styles, notice how the preview updates in real time so you can see exactly how it will look. Now let's move on to customizing colors. To change the color of your selected border, click on the color drop-down menu here. You'll find an array of colors to choose from. Pick any that suits your design needs. Alternatively, you can set it to automatic if you prefer a default look. Next up is adjusting thickness. Click on width, where you can select your preferred thickness for the border lines. Choose what feels right for your document. For those looking to get creative, there's also an option for artistic borders. Click on Art, and browse through various decorative designs available. If none appeal to you or if simplicity is key, feel free to leave it set as none. Before finalizing everything, check out the Apply to section. Make sure it's set to whole document. This ensures that every page will have your newly designed border applied uniformly throughout. Once all configurations are complete and everything looks good according to preference, click OK to close this dialog box and apply your selected border settings. Just like that, you've successfully added a stylish page border around your document. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.